Hey everybody, Desert Jeep Rat here. Just got back from Overland Expo yesterday, and these packages were waiting for me. I was expecting this one, and I really wished it had arrived before I went to Expo because my hot water system completely failed me. I had used it in the past in warm environments, so it warmed the water from warm to hot, but it was a lot cooler in Flagstaff, and going from cold to hot seemed to be too much for that system. So I'm going to test this system. I have confidence. I have watched many review videos on it. I can't wait to try it out because I believe it's going to do the trick in making my cooler water hot. This is the time of year. If you're like me, I live in the desert. It's hot. I don't want to camp in the heat, so I go high in the mountains where it's awfully cool at night. And so from those cool nights, the water cools down and takes a great heater. And so I'll be putting this to the test. And we'll see how well this kick-ass instant hot water heater heats my water and then gives me a great hot shower. So let's open it up. I'll move these others. I'll talk about it in a minute. So let's get going. See if I can get through this without losing a finger or having to go to the ER. Typical, it's all foam sealed. I'm gonna lay it down there and slide it out so I don't drop it and put a big dent in it right off the bat. Okay, other goodies in the box. Okay, I see some connections, some Teflon type tape, of course propane hose, water hoses. Get that out a little bit better so you can see that. And the very important shower head with the on-off switch. That's great. As I said, I can't wait to get this set up. I'll do a test video as soon as I can get it set up. Shouldn't take much because it's a very mobile unit. I loved in their instructional video that I watched online. By the way, I really like this. I got shipping notification that this thing was coming, and then I think it was the same day I got another email that said, hey, your new device is on the way. Here's an instructional video to help you understand better how to use it when you get your hands on it. So I really appreciated that. I thought that was pretty cool. Not many companies they've got their videos, but they're hidden somewhere, and they're not coming to your email to say, hey, you might have a couple questions. Here's some answers. So if you look, it's got a minimum and a max. Summer and winter, I'll explain that a little bit more, but it makes sense. How much do you need? And a minimum and max, and then a digital readout. It's vented up top. It's got a hanger if you have a bolt on your camper or whatever your truck, your vehicle, where you can hang it, or this is what I like, it's got a hang hook. So I've got my rack. I'll be able to hook that right up on my rack and set it up, have it going, and then when I'm done, pack it all down, take it off, and I'm ready to move it. So it's pretty beefy, and I am looking for storage suggestions. If you have some suggestions on some great way to mount this on my rig or put it in, I've seen some guys put them in a case. There's a variety of different approaches to what you put it in. I'm not just going to leave it banging around. We off-road too hard to just leave stuff laying around or where they get beat up and broken. So that's the, this is the Kick-Ass Instant Hot Water. So I can't wait to try that. Instant hot water would have been really good when I was in Flagstaff and it was cold and I was trying to take a shower and I was just getting less cold water instead of hot water. I'm looking forward to some hot water out of this baby, and we'll give it a try and find out for sure.